Question 1. The gator swam in the swamp. Your options are A. Ali, B. Navi, C. Esker, D. Leggy, E. Radi. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Ali. When we insert Ali into gator, we get alligator, which is a large reptile that lives in swamps. Question 2. We visited the Museum to see ancient artifacts. Your options are A. Mew, B. Lee, C. Art, D. Cole, E. Gal. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Mew. When we insert Mew into Museum, we get museum, which is a place where artifacts and artworks are displayed. Question 3. The berry grew wild in the forest. Your options are A. Blue, B. Straw, C. Rasp, D. Black, E. Cran. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is B. The answer is B. Straw. When we insert straw into berry, we get strawberry, which is a popular red fruit. Question 4. She opened the RELLA when it started raining. Your options are A. UMB, B. CIN, C. MOS, D. CAM, E. bar. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. UMB. When we insert UMB into RELLA, we get umbrella, which protects you from rain. Question 5. The TRIC shock gave him a surprise. Your options are A. Elec, B. Geo, C. Met, D. Sim, E. Ken. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Elec. When we insert elec into TRIC, we get electric, which relates to electricity and electrical shocks. Question 6. We need to remember to bring our homework. Your options are A. Re, B. Dis, C. Non, D. X, E. Un. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Re. When we insert re into member, we get remember, which means to keep something in your mind. Question 7. The copter flew overhead making noise. Your options are A. Heli, B. SCOO, C. Chop, D. Moto, E. Gyro. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Heli. When we insert heli into copter, we get helicopter, which is an aircraft with rotating blades. Question 8. The angle had 3 equal sides. Your options are A. Tri, B. Rec, C. SQU, D. Pen, E. Hex. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Try. When we insert try into angle, we get triangle, which is a three-sided geometric shape. Question 9. Please NECT the cables to the device. Your options are A. Con, B. Dis, C. Pro, D. Cell, E. Det. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Con. When we insert con into NECT, we get connect, which means to join or link things together. Question 10. The scope helped us see the stars clearly. Your options are A. Tele, B. Micro, C. Horo, D. Peri, E. Kale. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Tele. When we insert tele into scope, we get telescope, which is used to observe distant objects like stars. Question 11. The board broke when we stepped on it. Your options are A. Key, B. Card, C. Surf, D. Skate, E. Dash. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Key. When we insert key into board, we get keyboard, which can be fragile and break if stepped on. Question 12. We watched the fish swimming in the aquarium. Your options are A. Gold, B. Star, C. Jelly, D. Sword, E. Angel. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Gold. When we insert gold into fish, we get goldfish, which is a common aquarium fish. Question 13. The storm brought heavy rain and wind. Your options are A. Thunder, B. Sand, C. Snow, D. Hail, E. Dust. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Thunder. When we insert thunder into storm, we get thunderstorm, which has heavy rain, wind, and thunder. Question 14. She played the Olan beautifully at the concert. Your options are A. Vi, B. Man, C. Bag, D. Tam, E. ACC. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Vi. When we insert vi into Olan, we get violin, which is a stringed musical instrument played at concerts. Question 15. The berry muffins smelled delicious. Your options are A. Blue, B. Cran, C. Straw, D. Rasp, E. Goo. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Blue. When we insert blue into berry, we get blueberry, which is commonly used in muffins. Question 16. The graph recorded the earthquake movements. Your options are A. SEISMO, B. Photo, C. Auto, D. Para, E. Tele. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. SEISMO. When we insert SEISMO into graph, we get seismograph, which is an instrument that records earthquakes. Question 17. We need to stand the problem before solving it. Your options are A. Under, B. With, C. Grand, D. Band, E. Hand. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Under. When we insert under into stand, we get understand, which means to comprehend or grasp the meaning. Question 18. The award ceremony was very moving. Your options are A. A, B, re, C for, D, to, E up. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. A. When we insert A into ward, we get award, which is given in recognition ceremonies. Question 19. The print shows the unique pattern of your finger. Your options are A. Finger, B. Foot, C. Blue, D. News, E. Hand. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Finger. When we insert finger into print, we get fingerprint, which is a unique pattern used for identification. Question 20. The beam of light shone through the darkness. Your options are A. Sun, B. Moon, C. Laser, D. Candle, E. Flash. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. The answer is A. Sun. When we insert sun into beam, we get sunbeam, which is a ray of sunlight that shines through openings.